Hi guys, this is Ajit. So we are going to be solving today's LeetCode question, which is sort the characters by frequency. We are given a string and we need to sort the string based upon the frequency of the character. Sort it in decreasing order based on the frequency of the characters. That means whenever we have more frequency character, then it should be at the starting, and then whenever the frequency of the character is less, then it should be at the last. Suppose if we take this particular example, which is tree, as the frequency of the character e is more, we are showing this e at the starting and then r and then t. So it should be the frequency of character at the starting c1 should be greater than or equal to frequency of c2 and then frequency of c3 and then frequency of c4. So this should be like this. It should be greater than or equal to next character which is present in the string. Suppose if we take here, this frequency is greater than this frequency and this frequency is greater than or equal to this frequency. So we need to sort based upon the frequency. So what will be the approach for this? Suppose let's sort the array. So we'll get EERT. Suppose let's take a different example where it will be A and then C will be like this and then B will be 3. Yeah, B will be 4 times and then C will be 3 times. So suppose if we sort this array, it is going to be A, B and then C, C. Even if we sort the array, it will be sorted based upon the character of the string. It's not sorted based upon the frequency of the character. So here we got an order like the character which is present will be next to the character. Suppose it can be here, it can be B here, and then it can be C here. But if we sort the string, then it will become like this. The adjacent elements can be of same character so that we can group them. Suppose if we try to group them, so here the frequency is 1 with the character A. Here the frequency is 4 with the character B. Here the frequency is 3 with the character C. So, and then we are going to sort based upon the frequency which we had got here. So it will be 3 comma 6 3 comma C and then it will be 4 comma B and then 3 comma C and then 1 comma A. So suppose if we follow this particular approach, so then for sorting it will be n log n for sorting the particular string. And then here again we are sorting, but here it will be not more than 26 plus 26. And the number of digits is like 10. So it will be 26 plus 26, which is 52. And then we are going to add 10 more digits. It will be 62. So it will be big of 1 time complexity for this. If we are going to sort based upon the frequency, 10 log, it will be 62 log 62, which is kind of like same big O of 1 time complexity. But here we are taking more, what do we say, more time complexity because we are sorting the total string, which is kind of not required. We can solve this by taking a map and then we are going to increment the character based upon wherever we see. Suppose if we take the same particular string, this one, we are going to we'll go through each character in the string, and then we are going to increase the frequency. After that, we'll get this particular terms like frequency and then character. After that, we are going to sort based upon the frequency, and then we are going to use frequency, take it into the string. Yes. So it will be kind of big O of n time complexity. Big O of n time complexity. Why? Because we are not changing anything. We'll be taking unordered map. So the time complexity for insertion and then update will be big O of 1. So we'll be solving based upon big O of n time complexity, and then space complexity will be, as we are not using much, it will be big O of 62 for the map as well. Why? Because the different characters which we can have like uppercase and lowercase and digits, it will be 62. So it will be big O of 1 space complexity. Yeah, that's it. So we are going to code this up. So let's start. We are going to take unordered map which is based upon character, and then it will store the frequency of each character, and then we are going to character of all the character of the string, and then we are going to increment the frequency of that particular character, and then we are going to take again vector so that we can sort based upon character and then int. In this particular vector, we are going to push back all the items which are present in the uh, unordered map, which is item dot first and then item dot second. And then we are going to sort this particular vector. And here we are going to give the comparison operator so that it will sort based upon our particular conditions. Bool comparison operator. Here we'll have character and then integer a, and then there will be pair integer b. And suppose we need to sort based upon the frequency, which is item dot second, right? So it will be a dot second. So when we are going to say a dot second not equal to b dot second, then we are going to sort based upon frequency. Otherwise, we are going to sort based upon the character. After sorting, we need to take all the items which are present in the vector to the string. So suppose if we take this particular character, we are going to consider 4, and then we are going to each index. We'll start from 0th index of the string, and then we'll go to 1, and then we'll go to 2, and then we'll go to 3, and then we are going to add for all these indexes the b character. So we'll do the same. We are going to take index to 0, and then we are going to take each item which is present in the vector, and we are going to take the number which is it dot second, and for each frequency is greater than 0, we are going to say plus plus equal to item dot first character, and then at last we are going to return string itself. We are not doing anything much. We are going to the vector, and then we are going to take the frequency. For the frequency, we are going to increment the index, and then we are taking the particular character, and then we are appending it to the string. Let's run this and then see if there are any errors. A dot second is not equal to B dot second, and okay, yeah, it should be here. This one. Here we are checking the condition. If the frequency is not same, then we are going to sort based upon the frequency. If the frequency is same, we are going to sort based upon the character. So let's submit this. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, thanks for watching the video.